So Perplexity Computer is here. I've been stress testing this for a while on many different accounts. And today I'm going to be showing you guys in the TheAIGRID Academy how we can actually use this to get leads for our business. So let's actually take a look at Perplexity Computer. So what is Perplexity Computer? It is basically like OpenClaw, but it is just a bit different because it is a little bit more comprehensive. And of course, it is more secure. Essentially, you have an AI agent running inside its own container that is able to do a vast majority of things. So in this video, of course, it is about getting leads for your business. As you know, distribution is going to be the major theme of 2027, 2028. So what you want to be doing is getting leads. So let's say, for example, I run an AI automation agency that helps plumbers get more customers. How would I use Perplexity Computer to get leads? This is just going to be the first example. So add into my prompt. The reason I'm showing you guys this demo is because every time a plumber misses a call, it's potentially a £200 to £500 job that's walking out the door. And most small plumbing businesses and local businesses, it could literally be anything. They miss 30 to 40% of calls. So, you know, it's an AI agency's job to find those businesses and prove that those problems exist. So for example, I'm actually going to, get this prompt here. Prompt, I'm running an agency, yada, yada, yada. So I'm just going to edit this prompt to put in my city, London. And then of course, I'm going to say check their Google reviews. And so this is pretty cool. I'm running an AI agency that helps local business, recover calls. I need you to find local plumbing businesses, check their Google reviews. And of course, for each businesses, find the owner's name, a contact web form, score 110, yada, yada, yada. And then basically input that prompt in. Now, with Perplexity Computer, why I love this thing is because you can actually spin up multiple different tasks. So let's say that task is done. You can then want to head and you can go ahead and do different things for your business. So, of course, this is a video about making leads, but with Perplexity, it's not like other chatbots where you have one thing. You can once again go ahead and, start on another task if you really want to. So, it's going to basically spin up sub agents, and these sub agents are going to go ahead and run the tasks in parallel. So you'll see that it's going to, set up this research plan where it's going to find 20 plus plumbing businesses in London, extract the Google review data, find the store names and score the call lead to 1 to 10, and then build an Excel spreadsheet. Okay. And so all I have to do now is I just have to wait, and then I just have to come back. So now you can see it's spawning up all of these different agents, and we're going to just wait. And if you want to see where your task is, you can just quickly check here. You can manage it and you can see where it is on the to-do list. So just click this icon and you'll be able to see those leads. And this is something that is really useful. And the reason you want to structure it like this is because Perplexity, this agent, is very good at browsing the internet. I'm not sure what the framework that they've used behind it, but it is very good at finding real-time data, real links. It's probably the best out there. So of course here, this did an absolutely fantastic job. Of course, the prompt worked really well. And you can see here that it says, here's your list with 20 London plumbing businesses scored and ready for outreach. So it says 9 businesses have confirmed missed call or communication complaints in their Google Trustpilot check trade reviews. These are your highest value prospects. So the reason I actually did this, guys, is because, of course, you want to score them in terms of the availability and, of course, in terms of ones that you want to contact, because the ones at the top are going to be the ones that are, ones that have a higher likelihood to actually succeed. So you can see right here, it talks about the score. They've got ruthless and rude and a 2.5-month wait complaint. Solo operator failed to show from appointment. So these are going to be the businesses where we clearly have an actual request. And remember, guys, I would have had to manually go out, find all these businesses, contact them, call them. But you can see that Perplexity agent has gone through the Google reviews. It's gone through all the data, formulated it, and it's given me this in an Excel page here. So you can see right here, they've all got Excel pages, and I can see which ones actually have the missed call complaints and which ones, I should be contacting. So I can see that this one here, they've got 2 complaints. No one turned up, rang 3 times, never got an answer, voicemail. You can see right here, that's an issue. So here, once again, never received a response, complete lack of follow-up. Once again, another one that we can, tag in. And it's got all, of course. And so you can see it's got this Excel sheet here. So with all of this detail, so all I need to do now is I need to just export this so I can download this. So you can see right here, after I've exported all the details, I will probably have to blur out all the phone numbers because I don't think I'm allowed to, have that information out there. But you can see right here, it gives me the numbers. Okay, it gives me the complaint details. So do you know what's so useful about this? Is if you're running an AI agency, you're running any kind of business, now rather than going through and doing all of this information yourself, rather than having OpenClaw do it, Perplexity is able to get you these leads on autopilot. All of these numbers here, which I'll probably blur out, I can literally call up all of them and I can say all of these guys have missed customer call complaints. And then what I can do is I can actually cite the right customer complaint details here. You can see I can call them and be like, okay, if you don't want my services, just remember that someone called on July 2025 and stated that, you guys literally can't answer every call. So this is why This is such a good tool for businesses. If you're trying to get more leads, Perplexity is going to be something that you really need to use, okay? Now, of course, this is super, super amazing. This is super, super good because some of these guys have emails and stuff right here. Of course, it's going to be better to call them. But remember, this isn't just the final thing. So what I can say here is I can actually do even more follow-ups. So what I can do here is let's say I can close this. I can paste this right down and I can say for the top 5 leads from the list, write a personalized cold email to each owner, reference something from their Google reviews that hints at a missed call problem, keep it under 100 words, conversational, and end with a soft CTA asking if they'd be open for a 10-minute call. Now, of course, we could do this and we could, of course, write this, plainly. It probably would succeed. But remember, guys, email marketing is another thing. You actually need to be able to sell the right emails, because if you don't send the right email, people aren't going to respond. If you come on over to the classroom and you go to lead generation, because lead generation is super important. Lead generation, if you come over to the cold email guide 2026, this guide is basically every single thing that you need to do when you're crafting your cold emails. So I know that a lot of people might not think email, targeting is important, but trust me, guys, this basically gives you everything. It gives you all the prompt templates. It gives you how to write subject lines that get opened. Now, of course, like I said, in 10 minutes, if you want to do this quick, if you don't want to read this, just download this, click the download button. Then what you do is, and remember, guys, this email guide is literally based off of the top email marketers. Okay. I essentially scraped all of their information, and this is going to be the top information as well as my stuff. So if you want this guide, of course, click here. But like I said, once you've downloaded this, you can literally come over to either Claude or ChatGPT and you can drop that file in. So I'm going to go to the, the cold email outreach guide, and then I'm going to say, based on this information, I'm going to say based on the Excel information, which I could say draft, 5 emails for the most qualified. Okay. And I could say use the email outreach best practices. Okay. So now, is it not only going for my leads, it's actually going to use the guide that I actually just downloaded from my academy. So you can see right here, it's now going ahead, it's going to use Excel to see the leads, and then of course it's going to structure those emails based on the top practices. So now, rather than just doing it randomly, we're actually going to get those leads. Okay. Now, of course, as well, if you don't just want to use the email and stuff, of course, like I said before, if you go back into the academy, if you want to look at the cold calling best practices, because on the Excel sheet we do have a section for the phone. So you can see here, when we're contacting different businesses, they all got different phone numbers. Some of them might be different. Some of them might not be on this website. But what you want to be doing ideally is using the cold calling frameworks. So cold calling is changing. It's changing probably every 3 or 4 months because of how, different, conversations are happening. So different things are effective. So once again, what I did was I looked at every, top marketer. I know a few people in marketing, asked them for a few tips. I looked at all the ones. And this basically is the ultimate cold calling playbook. So once again, you can download this guide and you can just basically add this as a Claude skill if you do want. Or like I said, let me actually show you guys. Let me just download this. And so the cold calling, playbook from the top 15 YouTube sales experts, it just tells you absolutely everything, how to nail with the tone. It talks you, use the pattern interrupts. You can see right here, all of these different things that you're able to do. And like I said, this is going to be something that you want to use if you're actually going to call these people. So there's different frameworks like the value statement framework. So you can see here with all of this information, this is going to make you so much more effective. So once again, you can literally, download this guide, okay, put this into Claude or Claude project, then ask them, okay, you're now my, sales employee. You're going to teach me how to help me run my AI agency and do the outbound, okay, when I'm on the calls, okay? So this is super, super useful. So you can see right here, Claude is now done, and now it's going to give me the emails. So it's based on all that information. So now my life is a lot easier. So you can see right here, it's giving me the first email here. So you can see right here, it gives me the email outreach. So all I would need to do is just basically push these emails to the owners, okay? So you can see right here, it says, Marcus, your Camden Plumbers review mentioned customers being quoted, then told the job can't be done for 2.5 months. That's a pipeline bottleneck, not a demand problem. We help small plumbing teams turn inquiry overflow into a structured wait list and follow-up system, so leads don't disappear when you're at capacity. We just help this person, When works best, you want a 2-minute video. And of course, guys, since this is generative, you can just literally click the regenerate button in the top right as many times as you want. If you it's right here. If you want to just generate this as many times as you want. So this is how you become a more effective person when you're getting leads with Perplexity Computer. I think this is going to change business forever because you've got an agent that does so much. And if you guys did enjoy this video, I'll see you in the next one. Of course, if you're trying to grow your business in just 10 minutes a day for just $10 a month, don't forget to check out this community. It's got insane value. I probably will raise the price at some point, but this is going to be the early birds pricing. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check it out. You can join 200 other members facing the same problems in business that you are, using AI to scale their business. And I literally update this every single day, guys. So if you have any comments, don't forget to comment down below and respond.